I'm in Walmart right now, but this isn't what this video is. This video was actually made on Thursday, December 16th at 12, or well, technically Friday, 12 a.m. Around 12 a.m. Around 1 a.m. actually, on December 16th. So, yeah. Anyway, enjoy the video. This is my plane experience, guys.
Okay, that means that you have the window on the way back with your mom. Okay, Connor? Yeah. Okay, understand that on the way home, back home, when your mom brings you, you have the center seat. Okay?
Really? How am I supposed to fall with that uneven surface? Look at this. Walk perfectly fine over that. It has a sign that I'm gonna fall. Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Mommy,
38.
Mommy does TikToks. Mommy does TikToks.
She does. It's getting cold. It's cold. We're going to go back down where it's warm.
I gotta hold my phone.
I got him. 38. Yes. All the way to the back.
Here we go again.
Outward. Keep in mind overhead bins are shared space, and if the bin directly above your seat is full, you should use the next available space. If you're seated in the emergency exit row, please review the exit row seating responsibilities on the back safety information card located in the seat back in front of you. If you're unable or prefer not to perform the exit row responsibilities, please let a flight attendant be happy to reseat you. Thanks for your cooperation and welcome aboard.
I need.
No. I mean,
Hold on a second, guys. Okay, we're all buckled up, guys.
okay, do you want to look through that and see?
I'll take a pack. You can have a pack.
I have a pack of Oreos.
6 of them.
Alright, and then
6 of them.
Connor, do you mind sharing your water with your brother?
I don't want any water.
You're gonna have to have some water to eat these.
I'm really battling a pack of Oreos.
I already got it open.
Look,
Yes, I know how to open
I already
it.
got it open.
Yes, I know, but I was struggling because I opened it on the...
okay, be careful because it's gonna fall out.
I got it.
Seated in your assigned seat is this will assist in making sure that all of you are present, as well as the weight and balance of the aircraft being correct. If we are able to move you guys
I'm
for
too
any reason,
short,
we will
like
definitely let
always.
you know. But please do not move seats unless you speak with a flight attendant before doing so. Thank you.
Guys, I'm too short, like always.
What do you mean?
I'm always short.
Oh, are you done with your Oreos?
Hi folks, welcome aboard Frontier Airlines flight 1223 non-stop services down to Orlando, showing a flight time of 1 hour and 16 minutes. It should be a pretty good flight for us tonight. We just came from Orlando, so pretty smooth, just some light chops in the climb mode and in the initial descent. We should be on our way very shortly. Captain Jared is in the cockpit assisting me. I'm Captain Simon, and we have 5 lovely flight attendants in the back. That's their primary.
We're gonna sleep in. You want that saved?
Flight 1223 non-stops down to Orlando. Word.
I'd probably be in one
This
of
is the only night that y'all don't have to brush your teeth.
Okay.
Because your toothbrushes are at your mommy's house. She's only 10 minutes away from me now. But I didn't realize it until I was on my way up to Orlando. She had your toothbrushes.
I'm probably going to stay up this entire plane flight so I can actually fall asleep easier. I don't know what's out there. Hold on.
I need to lose my teeth. I need to get my grown-up teeth.
You didn't get your baby teeth until you were a year old.
I don't know what's up there.
Then when will I lose my teeth?
Like sucking on that.
Another year from now?
I'll let you know.
Probably not.
Life vest under your seat. No smoking. Fasten seat.
What
Man, I already know all that. I've been on a plane like 74 times already. Isn't that right? 74 times.
What does a vest do with no smoking? What does a vest have to do with no smoking? I have to burp, but it won't come out.
I've never read one of these. These are different than the normal ones that I normally see on here for the last 74 times. Okay, let's see here. Yep. Too much to read. Okay, hold on. Better take a drink.
You want me to hold it for you? That's the best angle. That's more flattering if you
Yes, you can hear a baby in the background.
take it up like this. I learned that from Leah.
Nice.
There we go. Did you get enough to drink?
Yeah.
Okay. He's busy talking.
Boo. Boo. I said boo. Yeah, he's too busy reading. I'm like over here saying boo, boo, boo. He's not doing anything.
Okay, are you done with this? You want me to save this?
Yeah, save it. You didn't scare me.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. What is out there? Are we gonna move?
It's been a lesson of patience this whole trip. I need to get you. It's been a lesson of patience.
I need to untie this.
Really quickly, I'm just gonna.
No, you're supposed to have your seatbelt on, and that has to come up. I just got on the counter about it.
Yeah, I know. I gotta. I'll get back to you guys whenever we actually start moving. I'm gonna move this a little bit. We're about to take off. There's an eagle on the wing. Hold on. There's an eagle. There's an eagle on the wing. We're about to take off, guys. Oh, jeez. It's bumpy. Smooth takeoff. When he was watching Toy Story.
Orlando High.
Yeah. That doesn't seem very good.
Maybe it's the tires coming out of the body of the plane.
That's when you know you land. It feels like a crash. Okay, you're behind me. Shout out to my Nana for booking this flight. Terminal, baggage claim. Bro, there's a train out here? What the heck?
If you're a visitor, welcome to the city. We want to assure you health and well-being is our top priority. Not only our world-class theme parks and attractions, but all of our accommodations, our restaurants, our retail centers, and of course our markets and cultural communities. We are glad that you are here and we hope that you enjoy Orlando. Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1. The doors are now opening. Please exit to baggage claim A. Please watch your step.
Am I allowed to show your face? I need permission.
Yes.
Okay. I knew that was yes. I try not to show anybody's face, and if I somehow capture it, I blur it. But if I can't help it, I have to ask them. Ooh, the escalator of hope. But this thing's so slow. Bro, how much transportation do we have to take? Whoa, that felt weird.
I know, didn't it? Okay, come on, take my
Hold on.
There we go.
Whoa, this one's fast.
Uh-huh.
Back room. How high are we going?
We're going to
We're high. Whoa. That hand. We gotta go down one. Really? I told you we went a little too high. Ooh, I thought those doors were closing. Can you see through it? No, but you can see this. Just go, 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 go. Okay, Nana, I need to end this video, so can you say like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Say like and subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Nice.
Reese's Puffs, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up.